Welcome to the Hardtext Boost System, a revolutionary investment platform for art enthusiasts. With the Boost system, you can now invest in artwork and not just support artists, but win HTX as a reward for good taste. The unique boost mechanism of Hardtext allows you to boost artworks without purchasing them. By burning HNX tokens, you become an investor, accompanying the growth of the artwork and its collectors, with the chance of harvesting HTX as investment rewards. Each boost cycle lasts for weeks, during which the system rewards you based on the Hardtext index and your boost shares in the artworks. Simply click the boost button to support your favorite art pieces. Remember, each artwork has a limited number of 100 boost opportunities available per cycle. Boosting requires a specific amount of HNX to be paid. The price of each boost follows a progressive formula, meaning that the price of each boost increases after every set boost. Boost winners who boost the top voted artworks will receive HTX, the governance tokens of Hardtext, from a total weekly reward pool size ranging from 500 to 2000 HTX. Moreover, the owners of all boosted artworks will receive a commission in HNX generated from the boosting revenue, as described in the Hardtext white paper. To start boosting, make sure you have a Hardtext Connoisseur level 4 or higher to unlock the feature. Visit the Hardtext app, select any listed artwork you wish to boost, and click on the boost button to successfully boost it. You can track your current boosted artwork on your profile page and on the ranking system. Don't forget to use the hashtag Boost to earn when showcasing your boosted artworks on social media. As an encouragement to increase the purchase of great works, artwork owners receive boost commission whenever their pieces receive boosts. As a boost user, the boost system will distribute HTX to you based on your boost share when the boosted artwork meets the ranking requirements of the week. Boost your love for art and experience the Hardtext Boost system today. Join us in supporting artists, investing in captivating artworks, and earning exciting rewards. Remember, the earlier boosted, the lower its cost. Get started now.